Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore a bold proposal that the foundations of quantum mechanics and even our picture of matter itself need to be rebuilt on a simple geometric idea, equilateral energy. We'll walk through how this idea, called Tetryonics, the charged geometrics of mass-energy matter, aims to resolve long-standing mysteries in physics, from charge and mass to quantum particles, forces, chemistry, and even unified field theories. Let's start with a challenge from Albert Einstein. He warned that scientists often inherit concepts with their mother's milk and then forget to question them. Our basic assumptions become invisible and ingrained and carry through to create even bigger falsehoods over time, and that's dangerous for science. Today, quantum physics underpins our technology, yet many of its foundations remain conceptually murky. We have powerful mathematical tools, but no universally accepted, clear physical picture of what's really going on at the quantum level. The central claim here is that this confusion comes from a missing ingredient, a rigid, enforceable geometry for energy itself. Tetryonics starts from one radical but simple postulate. Energy is not just a number, it has an equilateral geometry. Instead of treating energy as an abstract scalar, Tetryonics models it as equilateral triangular quanta. From this single geometric assumption, the theory provides physical models for charge, mass, and matter, explains interference, quantum probabilities, wave-particle duality, and quantized angular momentum, offering a path toward a unified description of forces and matter. In short, equilateral Planck coins, also known as Planck's constant, are proposed as the missing geometric foundation of quantum mechanics. In standard physics, energy is defined as the capacity to do work or exert force. We measure it through mass, velocity, and electromagnetic fields. Historically, attempts to understand heat and light led to Planck's constant and the birth of quantum mechanics. But Tetryonics adds a twist. If energy is equilateral in geometry, then any energy per unit time naturally corresponds to a geometric unit that looks like angular momentum. This leads to a new reinterpretation of quantized angular momentum. It's not just a mathematical artifact, it's a direct measure of the underlying equilateral geometry of energy. Charge has long been one of the most mysterious properties in physics. Tetryonics proposes a different picture. Positive and negative charges are opposite sides of the same equilateral energy coin. They can be modeled as ideal quantum inductive loops. In 2D, they form neutral electromagnetic energy geometries. When they interact, they become the fascia of 3D matter and appear as positive or negative charge surfaces. We all know E equals mc squared, but Tetryonics insists on a sharp geometric distinction. Electromagnetic mass is the 2D planar measure of energy per unit time. Matter is the 3D tetrahedral arrangement of standing wave energies in a volume of space. Think of EM mass as the paper and matter as the tetrahedron you fold from that paper. In this framework, the term massless is a misnomer, except for truly empty space devoid of any EM energies. Bosons are transverse electromagnetic fields that mediate induction. Photons are longitudinal dual-charge pairs with neutral net charge but an inherent magnetic moment. With equilateral energy as the base, Tetryonics reconstructs the standard model and the particle zoo from geometric first principles. Modern accelerators smash particles together, producing a bewildering variety of short-lived baryons, all explained by Tetryonics in full quantum detail. When applied to chemistry, equilateral energy geometries deliver accurate 3D CAD models for all periodic elements, refined molecular orbital plots, and even modeling of chemical compounds, proteins, RNA, and DNA in full 3D geometric detail. The holy grail of physics is a unified field theory. Tetryonics posits that equilateral energy provides the foundation for such a theory, merging classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, and general relativity. To sum up, Tetryonics argues that many puzzles stem from a missing geometric foundation. It is a geometric key meant to help humanity address its challenges. Thanks for watching. If this has sparked questions, that's exactly the point.